It's a rare question. Most people ask about Brahman, Atman, self-inquiry, non-duality, or AI nowadays. But God, devotion, love of God, that relationship with God, it's a serious question. It's foundational for spiritual practice. Straight one word answer to your question. One word answer. Diksha. One word answer. Mantra Diksha, initiation into a spiritual tradition. It can be done in our tradition, the tradition of Thakur Ma Swamiji. But Hinduism offers you a whole spectrum. You may come from a community in which God is worshipped in a particular form. Maybe you come from a family in which God is worshipped in a particular form. You may choose to follow that. Or you may choose a form, a lineage of God and get initiated in that. And then worship God in that form. So in our tradition, that would mean Mantra Diksha. It's very important. That divinity, which I know ultimately is my own nature, as Atman or Brahman, is, when I regard myself as the spiritual seeker, that divinity becomes the god of religion. This church is built around a god of religion, temples, mosques. That god I establish a relationship with. Yes, there's a matter of faith there, no doubt. But we believe in all sorts of nonsense. So why not believe in God? The one thing which is, you say, I don't believe in all that. We believe, but we are very eager to believe in all the nonsense that is purveyed to us on television by advertisers, politicians, and so on, by conspiracy theorists and so on, the internet. We are happy to believe in all that. Well, why not believe in something which is of great use to us, and if you believe in that, very soon it becomes a reality for you. You begin to see it's not a question of believing in something. It's actually a matter of knowing it. It's actually a matter of a reality. There is a reality behind it. Establish a relationship of love and service and worship. I was in Belfast driving through, and a church, I saw this simple message which I loved so much. Simplest of messages. It just said in big letters on the wall of the church, try praying. That's all. Wherever you are, whatever condition we are in, whatever problem we are facing or not facing, try praying and see what happens. First of all, see what happens internally.
Hari Om, Swamiji.